Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to produce a label list from stock items that you can then print. The idea being that if you've readjusted a bay or just put a load of new products out, you can print off all your shelf edge labels in one foul swoop nice and easily. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy. We go into our customer shelf edge label designer. Now there is a video already done on how to design a label which goes into various features. So if there's no labels that you currently like, you can obviously create your own one. But for this demonstration, we're first of all going to select the printer. That's important because that's what we're going to be printing to. And by selecting the printer, the system will retrieve the correct paper size, etc. for your job in hand. Your next thing you want to do is pick a label that you intend to use. I'm going to do the long shelf edge label thin, and that's that. We're now ready to build our list. So to build the list is very easy. We go into produce labels from stock, and there we go. Now at the moment you've got on the left here the search results. Basically you can search for stock items down here the same way you search for stock items in many other parts of our Premier EPOS system. You can also, if you wish, you can display every product you have in stock, or not just in stock, to be honest, every product you have on your system. So as you can see, there's a fair few there. Now what you would do here is then you can select individual products and then you can add them to the list, or you can select a group of. So if you've searched an entire type for cat, say for example, you can just select the lot and add up the whole lot to the list, and the system will take care of where the labels go, how many per page and how many pages you need. So you don't need to get your calculator out for this one. Okay, I'm just going to randomly select a couple of them just to give you an idea of what is going on here. Just let me adjust this screen slightly for you. There we go. Okay, so I've selected a couple up here, as you can see, and now I'm going to add them to my print list, and there they are, and that's basically ready now to be printed. So there are a few other features down here that in this point in time I will leave those for another demonstration. However, the important one that I need to show you is print preview. And there we go. They are the labels. Let me again, we have a zoom feature. You may know of this already if you've watched any of the other videos, but simply by dragging it across we can magnify that a bit better. Now do bear in mind the zoom feature is only making it easier to read on the screen. It will not affect the output of your print. If your label is an inch wide and you zoom in to 100 inches, it'll still print an inch wide. So there we go. On this one you can see the product name, the barcode, the price, and then the little label at the top that says our store name. Obviously your labels will look however you decided to design them. You can of course import pre-made labels from our UKMS server as well. I'm just going to click on print now just to show you a printout. Obviously this isn't printing onto paper. It's going to print into a digital document, which I will now save just to show you that the final results. So there you go. It's pretty much what you've looked at, but this is what I would get out of my printer. I could then peel these off or cut them out, whatever paper format I've used, and put my shelf edge labels on. Nice and easy, saves you lots of time, or saves your staff lots of time, so they can concentrate more on serving your customers instead of printing off hundreds and hundreds of labels over and over again. I hope that was of use to you. Thank you for watching, and please do check in again.